time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed an extremely volatile trading session again today. However, it has closed on a positive note in today's trading session with a 23-point gain on the Nifty. In today's trading session, the Nifty opened in the positive. Within minutes of the trading session, it gave up all its gains. However, it took support around the hourly lower Bollinger Band and thereafter steadied itself. It again pulled back during the day and traded along the 20-hour moving average and closed above that in the positive territory. The advance decline ratio was pretty even with 818 advances to 733 declines. This was majorly because the mid-cap index was on a positive note, that it closed on a positive note with a 0.5% gain, while the small cap index closed with 0.4% loss. As a result of this, the advance decline ratio was pretty even. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had HDFC Bank and HDFC, TCS, Hindalco, Sun Pharma, the major gainers in trade today, while Bharti, Infosys, Reliance, Axis and ICICI Bank closed in the negative today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive today and it has been trading in the range which it has formed since past 3 trading sessions. So no significant gain in the Nifty. However, we saw huge intraday volatility during the day. On the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty has closed above the crucial supports of 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and now we expect the intraday volatility mostly should have completed by today's trading session. We feel that this volatile period is now coming to an end, and mostly in tomorrow's trading session we could see some trending moves on the upside, which could take the Nifty up till 7700, which is the previous swing high, and above that 7740, which is our short-term target. The hourly momentum indicator has now turned into the positive and it has given a positive crossover. So now we could see some trending upside momentum in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains positive with a target of 7740 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty recovered very significantly from the day's low and it also closed in the positive territory. We expect that the banking stocks and the Bank Nifty shall continue its positive momentum on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 15,150 and 15,000 odd levels. On the upside, 15,742, which is the daily upper Bollinger Band, and above that 15,900 are crucial resistances for the Bank Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive with a target of 7740 on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 7634 and 7584. These are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. On the upside, 7700 and 7740 are the crucial resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.